Hello everybody, today we will start our new chapter from here to there. This chapter is EVS chapter from your class 3. First of all, one poem is given for you. The poem name is The Train. Yes, my dear students, one poem is given for you, The Train. Few children are playing a game. They are making train and start playing. They are telling about the train. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb aboard the chugging train. Blow your whistles and take your seats onto shoulders if you please. Every children is saying that, come on everybody, we have to climb aboard the chugging train. Blow your whistles and take your seats. Everybody sit properly in the train and blow your whistles if you can. Please. Forward, backward, backward, forward, but in a line, don't run outward. They all are saying forward and backward. Train is moving forward and backward, but in a line, because all the coaches of train are together moving in a line. Stay in a line and shut your eyes. With open eyes you will nothing spy. Everybody is saying we have to stay in a line and we have to shut our eyes, because with open eyes we never do any spy. Students, as you can see in this picture, so many children are enjoying to play a game. They are making a train and they are talking about everything related to the train. Chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. They are saying that train makes the sound of chuk, chuk, chuk. And whenever any station comes in between, it says stop, stop, stop. On the roads of iron we move to and fro. Here come the lights and there they go. Train moves on the tracks and tracks are made up of iron. In this poem they are saying that on roads of iron, it means on the tracks of iron, we move on to and fro. Here comes the light and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills, past aging farmers, temples and mills. They are trying to say that when train moves, so many things are coming in between. Train across the meadows, over the hills. Train runs past aging farmers, temple mills, past village wells and a lush green fields with broken walls and a potato field. It means when train moves, so many things are coming in between. Train passes through so many things, like train passes through the meadows, train passes over the hills, it passes over the aging farmers, temples and mills. It passes villages and a lush green field. Lush green field means very green fields. So many greenery is there. And with broken walls, and train passes through a potato field. Now turn the page. Yes, chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Children are enjoying to play the game of train and they repeat this line, chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Smoky clouds, fairs and crowds. It means clouds are very smoky. Train passes through the smoky clouds. Train passes through the fairs, village fairs, riders on mare, flocks of birds, clustered herds, bridges and paths, dhobi ghats, small tea shops, puddles and flocks. Train passes through so many things in between. The path like smoky clouds, village fairs and the swings which are enjoyed by the children, riders on the mares, flock of birds. It means a group of birds. Train passes through the bridges. As you know, the train passes through bridges and paths. In between the train journey, Train passes through the Dhobi Ghat. So many small tea shops were there. And train passes through puddles and flocks. Now again they are repeating chuk chuk chuk. The train is on its way. Stop, stop, stop. All the stations say. Now few questions are given for you. How did you like the poem? Have you ever traveled in a train? When? You can write the answer that I have traveled in a train. When? You can write the date and time. Can a train move everywhere? Why? No, train cannot move everywhere. It always move on the tracks. What is meant by the rod of iron? Rod of iron, as I told you earlier, rods of iron means the railway track. Next question is, what places did the train pass by? Make a list. You have to make a list on what places train passes by. As I told you earlier in the poem, so many places were mentioned. As you can see, train passes through the hills, through meadows, temples, mills, lush green field, potato fields, smoky clouds, fairs and crowds. So many places from where train passes through. You can write the answer. Now turn the page. Come, let's meet some children and find out how they spend their vacation. Few children are talking about their summer vacation, how they spent. One girl is saying, I went to my uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier we used to go from railway station to his house in a bus. As you can see the picture, you have to say the bus. But this time it was great fun. We went by the metro. You can see the picture of metro which went through an underground tunnel. We didn't even come to know cars were running on the road above the tunnel. This girl is sharing her experience. How did she spend her summer vacation? She told about her journey through bus, then metro train, then she reached her uncle's house. Now this boy is saying, it was my bua's wedding. I met many relatives. We had a good time eating, drinking and playing. Bhaiya came from America in an aeroplane. As you can see the picture, imagine he came from so far but reached here in one day because it is the fastest means of transport. Bua looked very beautiful when she was going in a palanquin. Palanquin means palki, as you can see in this picture. So this boy is talking about two means of transport like aeroplane and palanquin. Okay, now this girl is sharing her experience. I went to my Nani's house in Kerala where she lives. There is water everywhere. As you can see, there is a picture of boat here. From the station we could have taken a bus or a taxi to reach her house. Instead we took a boat straight to her house. It felt a little strange, but we had fun. All children are sharing their experience, that what kind of means of transport they have used to reach their Nani's house or uncle's house or bua's wedding. Every children is taking so much fun. They had lot of fun by moving in a train, by moving in a bus, or by sitting in a boat. Yes, on the next page, this boy is also sharing his experience. How did he spend his summer vacation? He said, we went to Shimla during the vacation. The bus moved on the zigzag road on high mountains. Yes, this boy is saying that they went to Shimla during their summer vacation and the bus moved on the zigzag kind of road on the high mountains, because in high mountain areas roads are always like in a zigzag position. It was very scary when we looked down. This boy is saying बहुत ज़्यादा scary था when they looked down. We had to walk long distances in Shimla. My daddy would get tired very quickly. He is saying that his grandmother get tired very quickly. So we would make her ride on the horse. As you can see in this picture, horse is there. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. This boy is saying about him that he never got tired and he enjoyed walking. Now this girl is also sharing her experience. My Khala lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my bicycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take rickshaw to go to Nani's house. This girl is saying that my Bua lives very nearby to my house, so I can climb on my bicycle and I can ride my bicycle and I can easily reach there. And she talked about Ma and Chotu, and they have to take rickshaw to go to Nani's house. Now this boy is also sharing his experience. I went to my Mama Ji's village. This boy went to his Mama Ji's village. In villages, there are mostly used means of transport are bullock cart. As you can see in this picture, from the railway station, there is no bus going to his village. So we went in a bullock cart. Okay, there is no means of transport in a village. Only bullock cart is there. He talked about bullock cart. We crossed lush green fields on the way to the village. This boy is talking about the lush green fields which are always present in a village, because this boy is talking about the bullock cart on which he ride, and he talked about the lush green fields on the way. I love the sound of the bells tied around the necks of the bulls. He's talking about the bells tied around the neck of the bull. The sound is so beautiful. He loved the sound of the bell. Now few questions are given for you. Which all vehicles did the children travel in? You can write the answer, because we have read about the journey of the children. As you can see, bus, train, car, aeroplane, palanquin, boat, taxi, horse, bicycle and bullock cart. You can write down the answer. One structure diagram is given for you. You have to fill it. Whether you go to the market, whenever you go to the market or school, which means of transport you use. You have to write down in the boxes which kind of means of transport you are using, on which vehicle you are going to market or to a friend's place or to Nani's house or across a river or to your relative's house. You have to write down the answer according to yourself. Now on the next page, question is given for you. Right in front of each of the picture what the vehicle is used for. You have to write these vehicles are used for what purpose. You have to write the names and their use, and are all these vehicles used for a travel. You have to write down the answer. As you can see, first one is vendor cart, second one is mail van, and third one is wheelchair, then tractor. You have to write down their uses, their names, this bus, ambulance, and like that you have to write the vehicle name and its uses. Now next page, one question is given for you. It looks very interesting. Name of some vehicles which are given in the center of a wheel. Join these on one side to the number of wheels each vehicle has, and on the other join them to what is used to run them. Yes, you have to join the number of wheels to the vehicle. As you can see in the center of the wheel, bus, bullock cart, scooter, rickshaw, car, metro rail, train, boat, truck, bicycle, motorcycle. These names are given. You have to match what number of wheels are used in which vehicle. Okay, this is very interesting game for you, question for you. Now my dear children, our chapter is finished. I hope you enjoyed it so much. I hope you understand it. Bye.